So, Topspurs 2, not quite sure what happened there. Hair Flick FC 3. An absolute farce that it ended 3-2. However, I'm extremely over the moon. Smash the likes up, hijo de puta. Lily White's slapped again. Chicken on a ball in the bin. Yeah, chicken on a ball in the bin. So there is to do. These men have had the hardest talk all week. Oh, but we've had 2 weeks off. How did that go for you guys? How did that go for you? Smash the likes up. We're doing an emergency meeting. Yeah, because I'm just going to rattle everyone. Oh, why'd you do an emergency meeting? Yeah, because I can, hijo de puta. However, Kenny's at the game. I'm blessed he's seen that as well. Yeah, their fans were walking out, by the way. We've emptied stadiums all season, real quick. Yeah, 37 minutes. I told Tapping Tobes. Yeah, Tapping Tobes said he's going to text me after the game, bro. Where you at, Tobes? Yo, the silence is deafening, brother. Yeah, the silent Tobes. Where you at? Yeah, man, giving it the chest about well, I'm backing us to winning that. Yeah, I'm backing us to winning that. Yeah, I told man straight on Thursday. You will be leaving on 40 minutes. Yeah. I'm sure he didn't leave on 40 minutes. However, yeah, he could have left on 37 when we went 3-0 up. These men are trash, bruv. Yeah, and Postecoglou, they're kangaroos in sauce and that, yeah? Kangaroos in what? Yeah, kangaroos in what? Highline FC. They are lucky they got Van der Ven and he's rapid. Otherwise, that would have been 6. Yeah, let's just be real with it. Yeah, let's just be real with it. They are lucky they've got Van der Ven and he is lightning quick because that could have been 6. Yeah, we didn't even play good. Second half was a disaster, by the way. Soon as David Raya, listen, I've been David Raya's biggest fan since he's got it because friends of Aaron, yeah, needs to jog on because, but his dad takes a selfie with a Cindy away and nobody cares. Get him out. Yeah. Aaron Ramsdale can bin. See you later. Entra en la basura, vete a la mierda y de puta para siempre. Yeah. Yeah. Karma. Yeah. However, David Raya's come in. He's won the Golden Glove. Nobody can beat him to clean sheets this season. What are you doing? Yo, City just scored as well. Vardy out of the corner, for fuck's sake. 31 minutes gone, Man City rise to the task. However, yeah, what is he doing? Because at 3-0, at that point when David Raya did that bozo moment, we were comfy. You know what I'm saying? We were comfy. Ben White was absolutely class. I love his shithousery. Yeah, Ben Shite at left centre back. Benny Benidorm at right back. This guy's quality at right back. I can't lie. And do you know what? Every time we have a corner, he's a shithouse. Yeah, pinching the goalkeeper's fingers and everything like that. He was really funny. Pinching the goalkeeper's fingers, you know, backing him like he's at carnival and that. Like, do you know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes today. A little bozo moment. However, we were lucky it was offside, just literally millimetre. Yeah, but when they did that team huddle, my man was on it. He reset them. Yeah, he reprogrammed them. Yeah. Kai Havertz today. 2 games in a row. Yo, haters are becoming believers, you know. You know what I'm saying? We're smoking in the Topspurs pack. Hold that. Yeah. You man were trying to give it the big one about, we're going to end your season. Yeah. All you've done is end your manager's fucking career at Tottenham. Because, bruv, Mr. fucking Highline, bro. Highline FC. Mr. I've only got one way of playing. Mr. Naive. I told all of you Topspurs, yeah? This guy's a good manager. But you sacked Antonio Conte when he was 4th. And you finished 8th. Where are you right now in the league? Oh, you're 5th. Antonio. Where's Tobes, bro? Where's Tapping Tobes? Where's Henry Wright TV, bro? Where you at? Yeah, where you at? Yeah, where's Expressions Blood? Yeah? Trying to put 20 man in a combined 11 with Don Robbie in that, yeah? What are you waffling about, bro? Yeah, you get me, fam. Yeah, blood. Yeah, blood. We need to see that blood. Yeah? Nah, I'm not having it. It's a disgrace, blood. Every other word needs to be blood. That's how I know he's stressed. You know? Just make sure you sub to all of them as well, yeah? Real talk, yeah? We need these Tottenham man stressed. They chat the hardest, bro. Did you see the start of the game? They had 3 absolute mutants standing on the top of the stadium next to the chicken on a ball, yeah? We mustn't forget it's been raining. That's health and safety right there. Health and safety. Why would they? What were they strapped in? Like, did they win a ticket in the raffle? Like, how did they get there, bruv? Like, what's going on here? Yeah, like, I don't know what's going on. That club is a disgrace, an absolute. I sound like Ty. Yeah, you're a disgrace. I hope you get relegated. It's a disgrace. Yeah, that club is a shambles. They have got the hardest talk here for a club that has gone 17 years. 17 years. I was 25 last time they won a trophy. I'm 42 in June. 25, you know. I was in my prime. Yeah, well, DiCaprio would have had other things to say because I'm too old. No homo, no Diddy in that. However, today, Kai Havertz, we're drinking in the minerals. Pause. Yeah, Johnny Minerals is fuming. He's dropped the clip again. He's having a seizure. 29. Waka, 60 million, not 50. 60 million down the drain. Kai Havertz, man of the match. Man of the match, Io de puta, yeah? See, how gassed I am. How happy I am. And it ain't that, by the way, because I'm not even tipsy. Am I tipsy?
No.
Thank you. I'm not even tipsy. Yeah, I'm not even drunk. We're cooking steaks, bruv. We've got 5 steaks in there. Yeah, we've got loads of food. My boy Tao. If the OG's in the building, they know who Tao is, bruv. The real know the real. Big up my boy Tao, bruv. Yeah, the real G in the building. Gotti. He hates that. Gotti. Anyway, we're just going to finish that Topspurs pack. You know that song? It's oh so quiet. Yeah, who sang that? What was her name? Chris Wood nearly scored. Oh my God. What was her name? I can't remember her name. Some weird Icelandic girl.
Oh, I know.
Bjork. Yeah, Bjork. It's oh so quiet. Yeah, North London is ready, or de puta. London is red. Yeah, all of you man can't chat to us. We're top of the league. Yeah, and listen, we got to hope City drop points. However, I'm enjoying the moment. Yeah, whether it leads to anything or not, we'll see. And if it don't, sack him. Yeah, that'll rattle you lot. However, today, our best 3 players, Kai Havertz, man of the match. Yeah, that ball over the top. That is how you. They're so easy to play against Tottenham. They are so easy. Yeah, Newcastle gave us the blueprint last week. So many teams have pammed this team up with a ball over the top. Yeah, that counter attack. Saka's first touch. Chef's kiss. He was cooking, bruv. Saka's first touch, that was gold. And he's got that left foot whippage on lock anyway. Yeah, I thought he'd effed it up. I can't lie. Yeah, but then boom, back of the net. The corner. Yeah, did you see? Yeah, that B-Tech Mickey Flanagan with goggles on, bruv, giving it the Bertie to Declan Rice. Yeah, that B-Tech Mickey Flanagan. Yeah, with the curly perm. Yeah, the only thing you're going out of. Yeah, it's the Champions League qualifications, Io de puta. Yeah, you're in the Europa League. Yeah, Unai Emery FC has got a little saying for you, man. Yeah, Ange Postecoglou, what? Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Benny Blanco, Ben Benidorm, bruv. Quality. Gabriel Magalhaes, quality. The rest of them, bit iffy. Can't lie. Yeah, can't lie. Saka played all right in little bursts. Yeah, Declan Couscous back again. Yeah, I think he's took Ben Davis. Yeah, whole lineage right there, bro. Like, oh my days, how the fuck have Forrest missed? No, how have you missed? Watch this. Chris Wood has just missed an open goal from 2 yards out. Nah, man. Watch this. Tal, watch this. Now, this is a joke, bruv. Look at this. Nah, this is bullshit. Look at this, ready? He's white. Oh, my days. How has he missed? It's just tapping, bruv. Nah, this ain't real, bro. Nah, this ain't real. This ain't real, bro. This is scripted. This is FIFA. This is EAFC. Yeah, this is EAFC. Get out of here. Anyway, listen, we're gonna end on a high, guys. Yeah, hi guys. This is Northside's drink. It is agua, guys. Man's mixing suave. Yeah, suave in Spanish means soft, so it's a soft beer. Although it is 4.8%. He's drinking it with water. Yeah. Get onto him. No Diddy. Yeah. F the Topspurs, bruv. F them. Big up, man. 3 cup finals to go. And we got to hope Chris Wood finds his fucking shooting boots in this game. Otherwise, it's looking kind of long. However, 2 games in a row, Kai Havertz has been the best player. Yeah, my ball to Trossard today as well. Yeah, I've got to say, yeah. Trossard was meh. He was a bit, not the one, guys. Not the one. But David Raya, bozo gene today. And that game was a lot closer than it should have been. Yeah, and every single time we broke away, Van der Ven, can I just say this as well, right? Can't stand that lot. Yeah, they're crap. They've always been crap. My entire lifetime, they've been pretty much crap. They've won 3 trophies, I think, in my lifetime. Let me just say, yeah, Mickey Van der Ven is their best player. Yeah, that centre back he is elite. He is way too good for that lot. And he will not be at that football club much longer. Maybe in 1 more year, maybe this summer he goes. He is too good for that football club. Way too good. Way too good, yeah? Sign him up. Put the money on the table. Daniel Levy, bend over like he's at Carnival, bruv. And on that bombshell, Kenny Ken, hopefully he's got out of White Hart Lane safe and sound. Although, who's going to pick on Kenny? Let's be real. Yeah, exactly. Bodyguard FC. Yeah, Kenny's next. He's at the game. Then Jez. And then Matty. And then we're going live and direct. Big up to everyone, man. I am absolutely buzzing. Yeah. F the Topspurs, yeah? To dare is to do. To dare is to what, bruv? Yeah, you're lucky you got 2 goals. Yeah, we gifted them both. Yeah, that game should have ended 6-0. Yeah, 6-0. Yeah, but I told everyone, I predicted 3-1. So before you dickheads go, and I know you EO deporters in the chat are going to go, you're a flip-flop saying his name now. Yeah, guess why? Because I give credit when it's due. I'm not just, but he's got the shirt on. It means we have to back Havertz. No, deliver the minerals, bruv. Yeah, deliver the minerals. This is not Chelsea. Deliver the minerals. Deliver the minerals, bruv. And I'll back it. Pause. Adio. Ciao. Laters. Smash a like, EO